This is Kevin from Leash Roofing at 5 Decicco in Bridgewater, New Jersey, doing a repair attempt on this shingle. These are the shingles above it. Hi, how are you? I'm doing the repair attempt for your insurance company.
I'm sorry, what?
Give me 1 second. As you can see from the repair, there is creases forming on the shingles above it. You can see it forming right there. This shingle actually ripped when trying to get the nail out. Same thing with this shingle. This shingle ripped as well. There's another crease forming right here. You can see it right there. And I was being pretty gentle with these. In my opinion, this roof cannot be repaired without causing further damage. To do that to this entire roof would be doing a disservice. You can see that this roof was already prior repaired before, and the shingles around those repairs were damaged as well. The longevity of the shingles decreases from the repair. Another repair attempt, these shingles deteriorated prematurely. Same thing over there. Continuing to try to repair this roof will cause further damage and compromise the roof. This roof needs to be replaced. It cannot be repaired.